Art is one of those fields that comes into contact with the world, maybe more so than other fields. We prepare our students both academically and spiritually. We have a wide variety of classes that give the students an opportunity to try lots of different things, not just working on a computer, but learning how to do prints and printmaking, how to create ceramic pots. All of that is intended to train the entire student, not just a small part of what will potentially be their career.
I think our program is definitely very rigorous, despite not being an art school. You definitely get a lot of hands-on, and again, professors really work with you to make sure that your individualized skills are really developed and that you're where you need to be to move on to the next level of classes. Harding has prepared me for what comes next in my career by allowing for relationships that are a lot of one-on-one with your professors, so you're able to take that initiative and ask them specifically, what do you think is next for me? What do you think my next step should be? And really getting a lot of the individualized advice that you might not get in a department that has a lot more moving parts. I would say my academic advisor, Professor Greg Clayton, would be the person I would pick out as like my mentor in the department. He's always been very helpful with academic advising, but also kind of career counseling, and always encouraging me to push my work.
Harding University education is different, especially in the art department, because of our Christ-focused curriculum. Everything we do, everything we touch, everything that we try to teach our students revolves around Christ. So our students do pro bono work. They pro bono meaning volunteer their services for organizations, for churches. They also work with local nonprofit organizations to help promote and communicate their ideals throughout the community. So again, every art student is different, but we give them as many opportunities for them to serve however they define that. Our students have to make a decision before they graduate from Harding. How are they going to use their talents for the glorification of the kingdom, to live their lives in a way that's different from what the world considers success or happiness, whatever all those terms may be.
I'm still learning what my inspired purpose is, but I know that it has to do with my calling as an artist and my calling as a Christian to kind of share the Word of God. And it might not be overtly through, beautiful calligraphy of scriptures or illustrations of Jesus' crucifixion, but I'm learning every day more and more how to imbue my artwork with the beauty and the power of God and make that message shine even to people who may not really know what the underlying message or what the motivation may be behind a piece.